Designing a kitchen in a compact living area can be a rewarding challenge. Limited square footage does not mean sacrificing functionality, comfort, or style. In fact, minimalist design principles are exceptionally well suited for small spaces as they emphasize simplicity, efficient use of space, and visually calming layouts. A minimalist kitchen for compact living areas can feel open, spacious, and highly practical when thoughtfully planned. This video explores a range of ideas to help you maximize small kitchen spaces while maintaining a clean, modern, and inviting aesthetic. 1. Embracing the essence of minimalism in small kitchens. Minimalism is more than just an interior design trend. It is a philosophy that prioritizes intentionality. In a compact kitchen, every choice matters. The minimalist approach encourages homeowners to strip away the unnecessary, reduce visual clutter, and focus on what truly adds value to daily living. Clean lines, muted palettes, and streamlined layouts help create a feeling of openness and order, making even the tiniest kitchen more comfortable to work in. This design style also highlights the importance of functional beauty, where every element serves a practical purpose while contributing to the overall harmony of the space. 2. Optimize vertical space with smart storage solutions. When floor space is limited, thinking vertically becomes essential. Installing tall cabinets that stretch up to the ceiling helps you make the most of every inch. Upper shelving units provide extra storage for items that are not used daily, keeping counters free from clutter. Open shelving can also be incorporated, but with a minimalist mindset. Limit displayed items to essentials or carefully curated decor pieces. In addition, consider using pegboards, wall-mounted racks, and magnetic strips to store utensils and kitchen tools. These solutions not only save valuable cabinet space, but also keep frequently used items easily accessible without overcrowding the workspace. 3. Multifunctional furniture for maximum flexibility. In compact kitchens, furniture that serves multiple purposes can make a significant difference. A foldable dining table, for example, can double as prep space when cooking and be tucked away afterward to open up the room. Kitchen islands with built-in storage offer extra countertop area while providing space for cookware, cutting boards, or even a hidden trash bin. Stools that slide neatly under counters, pull-out countertops, and extendable shelves are other ways to maximize functionality. These adaptable elements ensure that every part of the kitchen remains useful without overwhelming the limited space. 4. Harnessing the power of light and color. Light plays a crucial role in making compact kitchens feel larger and more inviting. A minimalist kitchen benefits greatly from ample natural lighting, but even if windows are limited, there are effective ways to keep the space bright. Opt for soft, warm white lighting under cabinets, pendant lights that don't visually clutter the area, and reflective surfaces that bounce light around the room. Color choice is equally important. Soft neutrals, such as white, beige, light gray, and muted pastels, help create a serene and airy atmosphere. These hues reflect light effectively, enhancing the sense of openness. If you want to add contrast, choose small accents like black handles or subtle patterns, ensuring they don't overpower the minimalist character. 5. Streamlined layouts that enhance flow. Compact kitchens benefit from careful layout planning. The classic kitchen work triangle remains useful, even in small spaces, as it ensures an efficient flow between the stove, sink, and refrigerator. Common layouts for compact living spaces include galley kitchens, which allow for streamlined workflow and maximize wall space for storage. Single-wall kitchens, ideal for very tight spaces while maintaining a clean, uncluttered appearance. L-shaped kitchens, which make efficient use of corner areas and create room for additional storage. The goal is to ensure that movement remains smooth and uninterrupted, reducing the feeling of crowding even when space is limited. 6. Decluttering as a core design strategy. A minimalist kitchen thrives on simplicity and visual clarity. In compact spaces, clutter can quickly overwhelm the area, so it's crucial to maintain a habit of organization. Keep countertops free of unnecessary appliances by storing them inside cabinets when not in use. Use drawer organizers to maintain order and dedicate specific areas for grouping similar items. By embracing a clutter-free environment, Not only does the kitchen look more appealing, but daily tasks also become easier and more efficient. Minimalism encourages a lifestyle shift, using only what you need and keeping everything else neatly tucked away. 7. Incorporating sleek and functional appliances. Today's compact appliances are designed to fit small spaces without sacrificing performance. Look for slim refrigerators, two-burner cooktops, built-in microwaves, and compact dishwashers that integrate seamlessly into your cabinetry. Choosing appliances with matching finishes creates a unified appearance, further enhancing the minimalist aesthetic. Integrated appliances, such as fridges or dishwashers hidden behind cabinet panels, can make the kitchen appear larger by maintaining a consistent, uninterrupted design. 8. Simple yet stylish materials and finishes. In minimalist kitchens for compact living spaces, materials should be chosen carefully to maintain a calm and cohesive look. Natural wood, matte finishes, light-toned tiles, and smooth stone countertops contribute to an airy, balanced atmosphere. Consider the following minimalist-friendly materials: matte white or gray cabinetry, light wood tones for warmth, textured tiles in subtle patterns, stainless steel for a sleek and modern touch. These material choices avoid visual heaviness, helping the small kitchen feel more expansive and welcoming. 9. Smart use of decor to enhance the minimalist look. While minimalism emphasizes functionality and simplicity, this does not mean the kitchen should feel cold or bare. Select a few carefully chosen decor items that add personality without creating clutter. A small potted plant, a simple ceramic vase, or a framed minimalist print can bring warmth and character to the space. The key is moderation. Limit the number of decorative elements and ensure each piece contributes positively to the kitchen's harmony. Conclusion: creating a beautiful and practical small kitchen with minimalism. Designing a minimalist kitchen for compact living spaces is both practical and aesthetically rewarding. By focusing on functional design, maximizing vertical storage, choosing smart layouts, and embracing light and calm color palettes, even the smallest kitchen can feel spacious, efficient, and beautiful. Minimalism encourages thoughtful decisions, removing the unnecessary and elevating the essentials.